YouTube, just got something in for the Hellcat. Anybody can guess what this is? Yep, you're right. It goes on the sunroof up here. I had something like this on my Scat Pack, which is the B, but now it's the Hellcat, so I have to get a cat. The color is matte black to match with the matte black trim all over the car. And the wheels. The only thing is, when I put this up, it was a little time consuming because it's kind of hard to do by yourself. But once you get it on there, it looks good. Came with a little prep kit and clean kit to clean the sunroof off. And once you spray that stuff on there, wipe it off, and then you just kind of just paste it on there. Make sure it'll help you get the bubbles out. But like I said, I just wish I could fast forward and just have it on. Maybe if I try this. All right, guys, it's finished. So what do you think? It's actually matte black. The lights make it look like it's gray, but it's matte black. Let's go inside and check it out. Oh. Yep. Everything looks good. Alright, y'all, the finished product outside. Let's see what it look like. Far away. Looks pretty good. Yeah, so it took about 30 to 40 minutes to put it on. I said there's still some spots I still have to get to. There's some bubbles I can get off. And that other than that, it turned out pretty good. So like I said, there's more things to come to the hood and the roof and the trunk. It's cold out here, so let me get back in this car. All right, y'all. Peace.